Yeah. Not formally, but of course, what I find is always important, and what we write in our guidelines, and what's like implicitly included, is that we don't give any medical advice. I talked about the medication earlier on, but we don't give medical advice, and people are not supposed to be talking about, for example, medications or medical treatments on the platforms, etc. And it's very important, of course, and this is my primary concern as someone who has an audiologist, right, and who is treated by an audiologist for my hearing loss, etc., that people really make sure to go to an ENT and to an audiologist as well, because we do know that it's incredibly important that the brain needs all the information they can get. And therefore, it's really important that people go get their hearing checked and do everything they can from an audiological and medical side before they join such a program. Because the program is a great support system. It's a great way to learn and to habituate over time. But of course, we need to be safe from the medical side, and that's something the program cannot provide.
Of course, and that's a really good understanding to lay that out.